Hi everyone, this is Kim Halter. I'm a behavior consultant at Three Village, and I just wanted to talk to you today about how to set up guided access on the iPad. So, you would want to use guided access if, say, your child wants to play on the iPad, but they have a hard time getting off. So instead of, kind of grabbing it out of your child's hand and you're just repeating, you need to stop over and over again, you could set it up on the iPad that it will automatically shut off after a certain amount of time. So today we're just going to talk about how to set that up in your iPad. So what I did is I set up my iPad here so you could see it. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the settings. So in the settings, you make sure you're on general and you want to scroll down all the way down to the bottom. Actually, they put it a little higher here. Accessibility. We're going to hit accessibility. Then you're going to scroll down till you see the guided access right there. So we're going to turn our guided access on. So the way to turn it on is you're just going to switch that little button on. You're going to want to set up a passcode for it. So you're going to set up your guided access passcode. The passcode in Three Village that we always use is just 1111. Unless the students figure that out. And if your child figures it out, you can use any passcode you want. So today we're just going to use 11111. And then you're going to want to turn on the time limits. If you want the sound of the time limit and speak it, so it gives a time limit sound about how long. So it'll give your child about 10 seconds, 1 minute before it'll say 1 minute remaining. And then at the end of the 10 seconds, it'll count down. So we'll see that. So just make sure those are on. So you're going to go back. And you want to put on accessibility shortcut. You want to make sure you have that turned on. That's really important because I'm going to show you what you need to do. So if your child is playing on an app, you have to actually open an app in order to use this. So you're going to so I'm going to open Brain Pop Junior. And when the app is on, what you're going to do is you're going to want to touch this button very quickly 3 times. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. And you see how it says guided access started? 1 minute. It automatically started for me. But you want to go into those options. So in order to go into the options, you're going to hit this button again 3 times quickly. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to have to remember to enter your passcode. So our passcode is 1111. And it'll bring you to this screen where you see on the screen you'll have end, resume, options, and you can also circle areas you'd like to disable. So what we want to do is hit the options button, and you want to make sure on the options that if you want to be able to turn it on and off the device while it's in guided access, you want to make sure that's on. The volume, it's very important to make sure that that's on. Motion, just to make sure that in motion, you can turn that on. I don't really know what that means, but I always have that on. Keyboards, that the keyboard will pop up. You can have that. Touch is on. And then it's very important that you're going to want to turn on that time limit. So say you want to limit your child to 5 minutes. So we're going to hit this to 5 minutes. And you have that set there. And then you're just going to go back to options and you're going to hit resume. If this is the first time you open it, it'll say start there. So you can hit resume or start. So after the 5-minute time, it'll give a warning. If your child tries to go out of the app like this, do you see what it says there? Guided access is enabled. Triple click in order to exit. And then right there, it'll tell you how much time they have left. So if they want to check to see how many more minutes they have left on this app, you could see it right there. So if you want to turn it off, you're going to hit that button 3 times really fast, and you're going to put in your passcode. And it'll automatically pop to this screen again. So right now you can use the features. The volume button can go up. See, when I press on there, I have 1 hour and 1 minute remaining. Oh, and see, right there it says time limit 2 minutes. So at the 1 minute mark, it's going to give you the child a reminder, and then it's going to count down backwards. So we can kind of see that.
Guided access time has ended.
So you could see there it used a voice to say it. So this covers guided access. In order to get out from the time expired, I'm going to show you. You're going to hit the button 3 times again. And you'll see the passcode, which we know is 1111. And then you'll get to this prompt again. In order for you to go out into the other apps, you'll just need to hit end. And then when you press the button, it'll go out. So you see guided access ended. I hope this video helps. And if you have any questions, we're going to put up our email addresses. So you can email me at kholter@threevillagecsd.org with any questions that you have. Okay? Have a great day.